Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Jamaica's bronze medalist boxer Ricardo Brown and members of the badminton team returned to the island at the weekend after ending their participation at the ongoing Pan American Games in Lima, Peru. Here's Ricardo Brown.
Ricardo Brown returned to the island after winning Jamaica's first medal at the ongoing Pan American Games, a bronze medal in the men's super heavyweight division. The 29-year-old lost his semi-final contest by unanimous decision as the 5 judges scored the bout 30-27 in favor of Colombian Christian Salcido Cadazi.
I learned a lot from the big guys because you have some guys where you have to just fight with them, some where you have to move. So I learned a lot.
Brown's performance in Lima, Peru was enough to convince coach Gilbert Vaz that a medal at the 2020 Olympic Games is possible.
Well, I'm very happy with the medal that we have achieved at these games. It is a great experience for young Ricardo, who have, only started recently, a couple of years ago. And of course, we are moving ahead with the plan. As he said, he wanted to make it to the Olympics. That's good focus. So I'm very pleased that we are actually in the top 4 here and looking forward that we can qualify for the Olympics come next year.
Meanwhile, the badminton pair of Catherine Winter and Talia Richardson also returned home. Winter and Richardson lost out to Cuba in their last 16 doubles match. In the singles category, Winter was eliminated at the round of 16 stage, while Richardson exited at the round of 32.
Well, I'm not disappointed because going into the competition, I was an underdog. And I went out there and I gave it my all. And I gained a lot of experience from it, and I know what I need to work on and how fast I need to get where I need to be.
The competition is really tough out there, and we know what we're going up against. So I wouldn't say I'm disappointed. I'm not disappointed in my performance because, as I said, I know the competition that I'm going up against, and the people that we're going up against, they play the higher level competitions on the other side of the world that we don't play.
Ricardo Brown for TVJ Sports.